Question 6. There are 8 chocolates in a box. 3 have peppermint centers, P, and 5 have caramel centers, C. Kim randomly chooses a chocolate from the box and eats it. Sam then randomly chooses and eats one of the remaining chocolates. A partially completed probability tree is shown. What is the probability that Kim and Sam choose chocolates with different centers? The first step is to complete the probability tree. Now this is a 2-stage probability experiment involving sampling without replacement. Now in the first stage, you can see that the fractions here involve denominators of 8 because there are 8 chocolates in the box to choose from. Once a chocolate is chosen, it's not being replaced, that leaves 7 chocolates left to choose from. And that's why the fractions of the second stage all have denominators of 7. Now we need to determine the numerators of the 4 fractions of the second stage. So if we start off with 3 peppermint centers and 1 peppermint center has been chosen, that leaves 2 left. And if there are 7 chocolates in the box, that means there must be 5 caramel center chocolates in the box there. And likewise, with this branch here, if there are 5 caramel centers to begin with and 1 caramel center chocolate has been chosen, that leaves 4 caramel centers left, and there are 3 peppermint centers still left in the box. Now to determine the probability that Kim and Sam choose chocolates with different centers. So the 2 outcomes that we're interested in is PC, so peppermint caramel, or caramel peppermint. And we get those probabilities by multiplying across or through the branches of the probability tree. So PC, probability of peppermint caramel, is 3 over 8 multiplied by 5 over 7, which is 15 over 56. And the probability of caramel peppermint is 5 over 8 multiplied by 3 over 7, so this fraction here multiplied by 3 over 7, and that's also 15 over 56. So the probability that the chocolates chosen are of different centers, so PC or CP, is equal to the sum of these 2 probabilities, so 15 over 56 plus 15 over 56, and that equals 15 over 28. So the answer is option D.